Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Welcome back to the Ultimate Garden Hour here, second Saturday of the month. Justin Ronner joins us in studio, and we're talking edible landscape. And, you know, it's one of those things that you get started with, and then you add more and add more and add more, and pretty soon you can be in over your head, and then it all just dissolves from there because you can't keep up. And, you know,
Are you saying it's addictive? Is that what you're saying? You're describing many of my addictions, you know, but it's kind of how it is. If you're successful, you'll want to add more. If you're not, you're going to get depressed and get other addictions to other things that we probably don't need to talk about. But, you know, so you're right. And especially in a garden, as it starts expanding, things start growing, it can become overwhelming. And so an important component to it is to make sure that you're connected to a professional network, not just an education network. So we provide an education network, but we also provide a professional network to support you. And maybe we talk first about that education network. It's like, how can we help you do it yourself? How can we help you do that yourself? So there's various levels that we can get you involved. One of my favorite levels that we have right now available to us is at the Queen Creek Botanical Gardens. If you want to kind of learn hands-on how to do some of this stuff, I'd recommend registering at qcgardens.org to become a volunteer. Learn about the different volunteer opportunities that we have at the gardens to come out and to learn as you do in a beautiful and sustainable garden that already exists. So you can kind of see it there. You can ask the questions. How was this put together? You can do all the DIY questions that DIYers love to ask. You can come and do it, but you can see, touch, and feel it, which is about the only way to make a DIY work. Come and do that.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.